Control. Delta Squad. Vehicle is DOA. We're now on foot.
Copy that, Delta. The pumping station lift is offline, so you need to exit north through the factory. Continue down this road.
Affirmative. Let's go. Stupid chucker. Piece of shit. Can you fix it?
Yeah, I can fix anything, man. Just need the right parts.
Money, Hispanic. Nope. These graphics are wonderful. For 2006, these graphics are top notch. Top notch. Wow. You can see the water shooting off the trees too. The graphics are so realistic. This game raised the bar for realism with graphics. Realism with graphics. With graphics. Here.
Extremely volatile.
Here they do.
Just get back to them. Won't work. These doors are too thick. Control, this is Delta.
Big and
We're at
fart
the
noises.
factory, but
34.
the entrance is
I'm a man child.
Copy that, Delta. I'm sorry, but I don't see any other options.
Invested $505. Actually, no, it's 12. $517.
Cold bear.
So far, I've invested $517.
Yeah, no, that's something. Yeah,
You should take that.